that, we cut across to more breaking news coming in, where a video has come to light of a Karnataka minister, Koppal, who was seen abusing villagers. Why? Because they demanded roads be built for them. All this happened on camera. This was the Culture Department Minister, Shivraj Tangadagai, who had a heated argument with these villagers at Koppal when they asked that a road must be built leading into the village and there must be a better system inside the village. The minister got irritated. He was tired of the nagging and he instead abused the villagers on camera. Cutting across to Sri Lakshmi, who joins us live on the broadcast. Sri Lakshmi, first up, they can't fulfill their promises, they can't provide for the people, and then when their faults are exposed on camera, they go on to abuse people. This is what is happening in Karnataka.
Yes, Suesha, as you rightly said, he is being the district in charge minister, Shivraj Tangadagai, abuses villagers using obscene language just for asking their right. It is their basic right to get a good road, good connectivity. And this district in charge minister is not giving attention towards it. And backward class development, Kannada and culture department, those are the two departments that he is handling. But still, he is in charge of that district. Being people's representative, it is his duty to listen to people's problems. But he was like, he was there to launch few schemes over there for a function, and soon after the function, villagers asked him for the road facility, but he got angry and started using abusive language. It is also said that a volunteer from the village has asked the question in a bit rude language about road facility, taking him as BJP volunteer Shivraj Tangadagai started getting angry and scolding towards villagers. Whatever may be the situation, it is his duty of being people's representative to get the solution to the problem. But instead of listening to the people problem, he is getting angry and scolding people who have voted him. This is the paradox, this is the irony in Karnataka with regarding ministers of Congress government. Such a responsible position he is in, he should take care, he should be ashamed of himself of not providing the basic connectivity to the people who have voted him. But instead of taking the responsibility, he's just getting angry and started abusing people. So this is truly shocking that he has abused. This has taken place in Kanakagiri Taluk, Jirala, Kalgudi, the name of the villages. And since quite a long time, people are suffering over there without proper road connectivity. Now they're asking for the justice. Their right should be, it is their right to ask for road, water and all these basic facilities. Now people are getting truly angry and frustrated towards this government who is not even listening to basic people's problem.
Oh yes, absolutely, and indeed he should be ashamed, but we also wait and watch if Chief Minister Siddaramaiah takes this minister to task and what the Congress government eventually does when it comes to these people putting forth their woes of what they face on a day-to-day basis. Thank you for speaking to us on this.